Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I'll show you how we can activate Google Assistant on the smartphone. Actually, I'll show you two methods how we can make it. The first one and the fastest, when you are using the 3K navigation, you have to click and hold the home button, and after that we'll be able to turn on our Google Assistant by tapping on this switcher, right? Of course, we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi. And the second one, if you are using the gestures, you have to go for the Play Store, and then you have to update your Google app to the latest version. So here you will get the update button. So you have to update, and then if you finish, we can open, then move to the more, tap on the settings, go for the Google Assistant, then move to the general settings, it's right here. And then you will be able to turn on your Google Assistant by tapping on the switcher and clicking on the turn on. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.